Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts and I'm back. It's 2021 and we are starting to journal in an A5 Hobonichi cousin Avec because I told you guys I was changing it up and then I changed my mind again. So we're doing this. I have been back and forth so many times on this dang journaling, trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And then I was like, you know, your happy place when you are happy and really feeling journaling is in this A5. So let's just do it. And there's a few things I might want to start doing in a little bit, like journaling to my kids specifically, like in an A5 stalogy. But I just am going to take it easy and just start slow this year. This, you guys, I have come up with the amazing, the slide-on tabs that I use on my Hobonichi weeks. Well, I had come across this pile of, because I'm a hoarder, extra transparency, like when you laminate stuff, the pieces of pouch that are left over, well, I had saved them for some weird reason. And those little cutoff like pieces are perfect because they've got that sealed edge and then they're clear on both sides and they make the perfect removable tabs. You guys, it's genius. It's amazing. And I love that they're clear on both sides so they don't like block any of my writing. So I had an extra one that I put in my Hobonichi cousin to hold the place. And I used a couple little Shine Sticker Studio stickers that come on the Happy Mail to make a little tab. So if you need some removable tabs that stay in place, I mean, you guys, it's awesome! And it's free because we've all got scraps. Just hopefully you hoard like I do and then you'll have them. Chelsea from Shine Sticker Studio is a complete and utter doll, and she made a freebie last night, and that is what you see, the Make Your Own Magic. I printed it off. It's on the Shine Sticker Studio Facebook group, so if you're not a member of that, you should go join, just because it's fun, A, and B, you can find out about good sales, and then sometimes she makes freebies and stuff, and how stinking cute is that? So I just printed it off on my printer. And then I also got an email that Sweet Kawaii Design has subscription box opening today. And she always includes in her little newsletter a free like phone wallpaper that kind of, it goes with the month or whatever. So I printed that out because I thought it was super cute. Be Kind 2021. I mean, is there anything more appropriate? We need this year to be kind to us. And then can you like just take a moment to appreciate that beautiful washi tape that was in the corner? It's from Simply Gilded, and I paid more than I would like to admit for it from the Simply Gilded website. And I'll haul it and show it to you guys in my next video when I show you all the things that I've been buying, you guys. Seriously, I'm on a hard no spend. Hard, okay? And I need to do this. This piece of full collage was sent to me from one of you who, it was one of the HR magazines that she was clearing out from her work, and she sent me these full pages of collage, and this image just speaks to me, especially for the beginning of the year. I just love it, like opening the window to like it's like a new beginning, you know? And I wrote in it something that I had read from something that somebody had posted on Facebook. And it says, "Today I'm going to fall in love with the way I belong to myself. Regardless of any situation or circumstance or commitment or outside happening, I'm going to fall in love with the way I refuse to settle for less than vibrant aliveness, less than what feeds and fuels this energy wildly, fully, infinitely, freely, because I'll allow nothing on the outside to detract from, limit, lessen, or shrink this, or me."
How effing badass, you guys!
If that isn't what we should all be saying to ourselves at the beginning of this year, I mean, I think so. And so I thought that was the perfect thing to put on my little, they've got that full page spread before the month starts. And let's see, I put in some of my number date number washi tapes that are kind of like perforated. I got mine at Jet Pens. And there's tons of different different cute, what am I trying to say? Patterns. Sorry. If you hear rustling in the background, it's an ice pack on my toe because I think I have arthritis in my big toe. So we're starting out on a high note. And you guys are seeing the amazing scrunchie in my dirty hair this morning that I slept in. So yeah, go 2020. I had set my alarm clock for 6:45 this morning and I snoozed it, which is a bad idea. And then I thought I reset it for 7:15 and then it didn't go off. So I got up at 8:35, which was kind of a bummer because I read this thing once and it was like a self-help book, I think. And it said, it was about like hitting the snooze button and not getting up when you want to. And it says, are you really going to break the first promise you made to yourself today? That hit me where it hurts. I mean, really? It's so true though. Are you going to make that promise to yourself to do something that you'll be thankful for later? And then the first thing you do when you open your eyes is break that promise to yourself? Every damn day. I got to get better at that. So that's a goal this year. And I put a little piece of collage of a little nurse down in the corner because I have to work tonight. And I hand lettered with my Mildliner brush pens because I love those. And then I'm using some of my Happy Girl, Happy Life stickers. I use some pig and cat stickers. And I link all the stickers that I can find that I find on Amazon. I link them down below. So if you're looking for some fun, easy stickers to get a hold of in the United States anyway, that are those fun kind of Japanese, Korean journaling style stickers, then check my description box down below. And then I'm using a piece of collage from the 2021 Hobonichi orders. It was the little user guide thing, and I cut out a picture of the little girl on there in her journal because here I am. It's January 1st and I'm in my journal, and I just wrote that I need to remember how good it feels to get in here, fresh start and fill up these pages, because it does feel good. I really love it when I'm feeling it and I'm, sometimes you're not feeling it and then you don't want to do it, but I just need to keep in mind that feeling, So these little cards that I'm tipping in were the freebies that came in the Hobonichi orders, those weird little cards. And this is of a little girl and she's walking because another commitment that I'm making to myself is to, treat myself better, which includes actually moving my form, my hulking form. The weasel walk petered out. It really did. And I apologize for that. You guys were super into it and amazing. And I need to just keep posting the mileage because I totally abandoned you guys. What's new, right? Oh my God, I'm terrible. Ugh. And so I hope you're still walking. My goal is to get out there again because it boosts my mood so much. It's really a mood stabilizer for me. As good as medication. Better, probably. Although I need both. And I put in a little frying pan with an egg, and I put a sticker from the Sweet Kawaii Design workout sticker book from Michaels. And I wrote in it, remember to eat like you actually like yourself. Would you shove junk food down your loved one's throat that you love so much? No, you wouldn't, because you want them to be healthy. So don't do it to yourself. I'm such a dumbass. Why do I do that? I don't know. Just another thing. So, and then some of those Positune cat stickers. Those are also from Amazon. Those Heeda girl stickers. It's like a little girl drawing a heart on a wall. Addie has been so busy doing every craft under the sun. We've made sun catchers. We've made clay beads. We've made these little plastic puzzle pieces that snap together. We've painted magnet tiles. We've painted ornaments. You guys, I'm tired. I'm tired. I love that she loves to craft, but Mama is just tired of crafting right now. So at any rate, and then I stuck in a little picture of a cat in his pajama hat because that's Henry. I mean, She's done 85 things during the day, and there's Henry, still in his pajamas, happy as a clam. I love him so much. She is so much like my husband, and Henry is so much like me. I did laundry the other day, and Henry had no real clothes in the laundry. Like, I said, have you worn pajamas at all since you stopped school like 2 weeks ago? I don't think he has. I make him change his underwear every day. And he said, I'm not lazy, I'm efficient. And he actually did say that. He talks like that. It's another reason why I love him. Because he doesn't have to change his clothes and put pajamas back on at the end of the day. It's efficiency. I can't argue with that point. I really can't. And then I put a little picture of a cat giving itself a bath. It's kind of supposed to signify self-care, I think. Like, take care of yourself. Not lick yourself, but if you're a cat, I guess, go ahead and lick yourself. I guess you can if you're a human. It's weird, but whatever. You do you, 2021. And then I'm just sticking in more stickers. There's a little fish. I don't know why I put that, because I guess I'm eating lots of fish. I don't know. And then more pig and cat stickers. And I found this little bird, like little chickadee that's saying, I'm sorry. Is it a bird? What is it? Saying sorry. Kind of like apologizing to myself for, breaking that promise to myself first thing this morning. And hopefully we will get back on the horse and try and get a lot better about it. Michael bought this bike, like exercise bike off of Amazon that's kind of like a Peloton knockoff. And then he subscribed to the Peloton app. So we're those losers that are doing like the Peloton hack. And it's actually been really cool because the Peloton app has like treadmill classes and body weight classes and stuff, which is pretty darn neat. So this morning I got up and I walked on the treadmill and I did a Peloton power walking class. So right on, we're making strides, literally and figuratively. And let's see, what else? I'm adding Mildliner hearts because that's what we do. That's what we do around here. If you haven't been here before, I put on hearts on everything because if you can believe it, this page already wasn't busy enough for me. I like every single ounce of space to have something in it because I just love it. And these little banana stickers are from Five Below. Somebody told me that. A few people did. And so I'm going to have to go get extras because they're so stinking cute. And I love the little ones of the little kittens and the bananas because they remind me of little babies. And I'm a NICU nurse. So I put the kitten, baby, and a banana down by my scrubs. And that is January 1st and my new journal. So I hope that you guys are starting off the year, even if you hit snooze this morning and slept past your alarm, it's still a new day and we can try and be better than we were yesterday. Or we can just be our same badass selves that we were yesterday. And that's cool too. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.